harvest any potatoes yet. They're all bone dry, but these are going to be Wiltshire second earlies. These had 3 seed potatoes. I don't know what you'll be able to see from there, to be honest. And some small ones, considering they couldn't really keep them wet enough. So the seed potato. These are very small, very small indeed. There's a lounge one at the top is green. So they put to one side for seed potatoes again. Very small ones. Not probably ideal for Terry's small potato challenge. Little caterpillar in there. Another one for Terry. Bucket number 1. Obviously we've been away, so we couldn't water these as much. But we're probably the same boat as everybody else, been struggling to keep everything wet with the heat. Heat wave number 5, I think. Once again, Wiltshire second earlies. This one had 4 seed potatoes in it. I think, unless I reused labels, which I probably did, to be honest. Bit of browns for the compost bin. That's a decent size one. Not too bad either. These seem to be better. Look. A little bit of scab on them, but not much. Another one. Not doing too bad. Now what we're going to put in here is probably Mary's Piper. Another baby one for Terry. Very dry, this mixture. I think this one did a bit better because it had some cocoa coir in it. It's a little baby one. Let's skin off the seed potato bolts of it. We've got to go lots and globbing in a bit as well. I've been down there since we come back, to be honest. Just hard time. So, without any constant water, constantly dry, that's what we managed to get out of 2 buckets. Not bad. That'll do for our tea next couple of days. Like I say, these buckets now, these can be reused for our other seed potatoes. Got a mystery tub here. It says Pentland Javelin for 21st of 3rd 2023. I don't think that's correct. Oh. Just take the weeds out. It's got grass growing and everything. Look. Little baby potatoes. I haven't got a clue what these are, to be honest. That one's obviously in the sun, it's gone green. So is that one. Hold it, I'll put these on here, time being. Ones with green on them. I've been. I don't even know what these are, to be honest. This is an old flower tub. So I'll put them in here for time being. We'll drop them in just to bruise them. I've got a feeling these may be Jemson from 2024 because I piled a load of them up and forgot about them. Well, it's one thing, we've got some compost. That's my dog barking, it's nearly 6 o'clock. He's losing his voice a little bit now because he's 14. Not a great deal in there, to be honest. Whether you can see them or not. But a lot of them have got this on them, gone green. So these, I don't know what potatoes these are, to be honest. So realistically these are going to go in the bin because they're all green. Not enough in there really. So these get binned. I'll put the compost back in here, but I might empty the other ones as well. The next tub, I don't know whether to empty these or not yet because they're actually still growing. There's sort of greenage on them. So I think when we leave them ones, I get the one from the back. This is the Jemson second early, 12th to the 4th. Don't know what year. I've not used these spawns now for a couple of years, to be honest. But this potato sat on top. Little baby things. They are literally just sat on top. All green. Once again, I think these are for the bin. Plenty of weeds. Oh, that's not too bad. That can be edible. They're literally just baby potatoes. Got one that's pretending to be Pac-Man, Waka Waka. That is basically it, I think. One edible potato, that can go in the bin as well. Or maybe 2. No, they've got green on them, so they can go in the bin. Got all sorts of weather. There's little baby potatoes here. really small ones. There's nothing in here now. It's just literally just a handful of little green potatoes. Like that. Show you a bit nearer. They're all just green. They're one for the bin. So at least now we've got some room in the other pots there for our Christmas potatoes.